southeastern China in the 18th century to early 19th century and settled as farmers in the mountainous north. The Hmong social organization is clan-centered, and they reside predominantly in small villages in the northern and central part of the country. Many of the villages are only accessible from footpath or tracks. In the wake of warfare, the Hmong were recruited by the CIA in the mid-1960s under the supervision of General Vang Pao to fight against communist forces, including the Viet Minh and Pathet Lao. The Hmong armies, also known as the Secret Guerrilla Unit, was assigned to protect U.S. radar satellites to prevent the ongoing flow of utilities through the Ho Chi Minh Trail and rescue fallen American pilots. Up until 1975, a record of 30,000 Hmong combatants died due to warfare. In addition, many Hmong men, women, children, and elders died as a result of starvation, relocation, fleeing, and bomb attacks. Of the American forces in 1975, higher Hmong officials and close relatives left from Laos to America. The remaining Hmong, involved or not involved in the war, were left with limited choices to fend for themselves. The majority of Hmong that chose to go to Thailand were eventually registered to resettlement offering countries that were willing to take them in. Today, the Hmong live as a diaspora people. Starting with the inception of the war, Thailand received many fleeing Hmong from Laos into their overcrowding camps. The majority of Hmong refugees were resettled in third countries. However, there continued to be a great influx of Hmong refugees coming into Thailand. Last year, Laos and Thailand agreed to repatriate more than 5,000 Hmong refugees into Laos. In December 2009, the Thai government officially carried out this agreement by forcibly deporting all Hmong refugees back to Laos. The repatriation was executed without the monitoring of a third party. To this day, Laos has forbidden any NGOs to enter the resettlement camps. In December 2009, the Thai government officially carried out this agreement by forcibly deporting all Hmong refugees back to Laos. The repatriation was executed without the monitoring of a third party. To this day, Laos has forbidden any NGOs to enter the resettlement camps.